Greetings and welcome back to my channel treichabakes. Today we're making a chocolate log cake. In my stand mixer I'm adding 2 eggs with 3 egg yolks alongside 85 grams of granulated sugar, and I'm going to beat the mixture until it's pale in color. In a separate bowl I've got 30 grams of plain flour, to which I'm adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour alongside 1 tablespoon each of cocoa powder and black cocoa powder. After transferring the egg and sugar mixture into a separate bowl, I'm going to sift in the dry ingredients in 2 separate editions and fold the batter gently until it's uniformed in color. In a separate bowl, I'm going to beat 2 egg whites alongside 15 grams of granulated sugar until I have soft peaks. After adding the beaten egg whites to the batter, I'm just going to fold them in until they're no longer visible, making sure I do not overmix. Once the batter is ready, I'm going to pour it onto my baking sheet, which I've prepped with some baking paper, and I've also buttered and floured the surface to stop the cake from sticking. I'm also using my offset spatula to spread the batter out as evenly as possible. Given how thin the cake is, it shouldn't take more than 7 minutes to bake, but everyone's oven is different, so just bake it until the cake is set. While the cake is cooling, I'm just going to prepare the filling, which is ganache beaten together with some slightly sweetened whipped cream. Ensure your cake is completely cool before filling. I'm going to roughly leave a centimeter gap around the circumference of the cake. After filling my cake, I'm just going to roll it back up and using a knife just to fill in any gaps and smooth out any frosting that has escaped. Next, I'm going to cut part of the cake at an angle and then reposition it to create the log shape. To finish off the cake, I'm going to go ahead and cover it in chocolate ganache and then using a fork to create the ridges, which gives it the impression of a log. Here's our very in-house artist Soraya, using a toothpick to make the log look as realistic as possible. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Until next time, blessings.